Here are the Gracie Dakota puppies. They are 3 weeks old today. They are little chubby happy babies. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Colors, soft silky coats. They're just starting to get their feet underneath them and starting to toddle around. So this is the black and silver boy. Hey, pretty boy, look at you. Yes, he says, I really want to get going. I don't want to stay on my back. No. And this one here underneath is the other boy. Hi, sweetie. How you doing? Look at you. Pretty boy, yes. And then these two in the middle facing us are the girls. This is the lighter salt and pepper girl and the darker salt and pepper girl. Hi, baby. What are you doing? Are you boxing? Are you boxing with your paws? Hi. Hello, stinker. Like your belly rub? Like your belly rub? Yes, look at you. And you, sweetie. How are you doing? Hey? Oh, yes, gorgeous baby. Oh, and your brother's chewing your ear. Yes, he is. He's chewing your ear. And look, little tails are starting to wag. They're so cute. Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? No, grunt, 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 grunt. Are you going to growl at me again? You were growling at me before. Yes, you were. You were growling. They're so cute. Now is when they start getting fun. They start moving around and playing and wrestling and growling and wagging tails. Climbing on top of each other. Yes. You, what are you doing? Are you just trying to sniff out Mom? Yeah, this is fun. He's growling. Hi. Hello, baby. Hi. Hi, little man. How you doing? Hey, sweet girl. Are you beating up on your sister? Oh, your sister's beating up on you. Yes. So puppies have had their first deworming today. They're going to get started on food this week. Help Gracie out a little bit. Get her a chance to gain some weight back. And these guys, they're just going to get more active from day to day from this point on. You guys are so cute. Yes, you are. Like little Frankenstein dogs. Yes. You walk and you fall over. Walk and fall over. Hey, pretty faces. Puppies. Puppies. Hello. So, this is a girl. This one's a boy. This one's a boy. And this is the other girl. So there we go. Gracie Dakota puppies at 3 weeks.